Now it started. When she gets it for real, she's gonna kill me.
Yeah, is it for real?
Don't worry, just 29 seconds more to go.
Get out.
Oh, that messed up. Oh, yeah. Nice hair.